Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, CAD2Life. My name is Gerald, and together we will bring ideas to the real world. We will be doing that by 3D modeling in SolidWorks and other software, prototyping and testing with FDM and resin 3D printing, reverse engineering with 3D scanning, as well as low volume injection molding. So please join me and let's do it. Okay, so how are we going to do all that? Let's take a look at the shop first. All right, everyone, welcome to my shop. This is where I have all my machines and gear for prototyping. We'll take a look at all these machines one at a time. Okay, first up is my newest FDM. I haven't hooked it up to the exhaust system yet, but I need to move it anyway. Some projects I'm working on, I'll talk about those later. This is my cabinet for IPA. Some resin material. Sonic cleaner for the IPA. This is my desktop injection molder with this air tank. And my exhaust fan. Talk about that in a second. I need a table here, but this is my tools and material for the molder. Some miscellaneous stuff. My CraftBot XL dual nozzle printer. I actually feed this machine with 2 giant rolls of ABS. And I print a lot with this. My favorite FDM so far, the Core 1. Right now I'm also printing with the big spool of ABS. Inside the grow tent, I have a Formlabs 3L resin 3D printer. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a tent that was short enough that could still hold the machine, so I got this one. Down here, these bins are full of filament rolls. This is the curing oven for the 3L. Down here is the washing station for the 3L. And I got some resin tanks for the 3L. Let's see, Tough 2000, gray, a black, Tough 1500, and some rigid 10K. The other piece of equipment is the Artec Spider. This is a 3D scanner, and we'll be using it to reverse engineer complex parts. Coming back to my exhaust, this is an 8-inch diameter. It is coming directly out of my garage. I printed this coupler to my existing window since I don't have any other windows in here. I want to connect this machine to it eventually. Right now I have the injection molder already connected from 4-inch to this 3D printed coupler 4 to 8. It comes along behind these boxes and into the back of this CraftBot. It comes out and connects to this Y, 4 and 4 and 4. Core 1. It goes up to yet another Y, 4 to 8, and eventually to the grow tent for the 3L. So the reason I have the exhaust system mounted this way is because I like having the ability to actually open the garage. Obviously, now when the machines are running.
On the software side of things, I'll be using mainly SolidWorks, AutoCAD, 3D scanning software, slicers, and others like Blender, Inkscape, and so on. If you would like to see the full modeling of this bicycle brake handle in SolidWorks, I will upload a video later. Thank you very much.
So for a little bit of background, I have been designing products with SolidWorks for about 20 years. I'm 46 years old. I had to think about that one. And for the last 6 years, I have been independent with my own company, CAD2Life. I'm a one-man company. Unfortunately, I can't share the vast majority of products that I design. So with this channel, I hope to try to find people, help people that would like to have something designed and that I could share. If you are one of those people, reach out to me, let me know. And if not the whole project, perhaps we can do part of the project. And we could share it and work on it together. Thank you.